For a game changer, tonight's guests. A mouth that's coming into focus, it's Josh Rubin.
A mouth that looks like a butt.
An eyeball slowly coming into focus, it's Brennan Lee Mulligan.
I am happy to be here.
And your host, me. I've been here the whole time. This is Game Changer, the only game show where the game changes every show. I am your host, Sam Reich, joined today by these two lovely contestants. Now, you both understand how the game works.
Of course, yes.
That's right. It's a game samer. Oh no, where is Zach? Oh yeah, unfortunately, Zach was busy with an unrelated work project. We wish him all the best. In the meanwhile, the show must go on, which means I need a sub for Zach. Where am I gonna find a comedian who's good at sound effects? Introducing perhaps the best in the world at this specific thing from Police Academy and Spaceballs. The man, the legend, Michael motherfucking Winslow.
Oh my God.
Goodness.
Please stand by.
Boys, I've given you a challenge.
You haven't given us a challenge, Sam. You've sent us to our deaths. Sir, it's a pleasure and honor to meet you.
Good to see you, brother. Good to see you guys, man.
He scores at the break, where Josh with 28 points, Zach, and now Michael with 29, and Brennan with 30. Josh, are you ready?
No, please don't.
Slime ASMR, Josh. Slime
No
ASMR. Well done. I like it, and I will give you the points. Michael, over to you. The most annoying morning alarm clock.
Get your ass out of bed!
Wow. I am already sorry for Josh and Brennan this episode. Michael, that is going to be 2 points for you.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Brennan.
Great.
Over to you for a Chuck E. Cheese band at its last gasp.
Boys and girls, we hate to say goodbye. Our servers have been shutting down. We don't want to make you cry. They made us out of steel and rubber and all things that make you smile. They're putting us into deep, deep storage where we're going to stay a while.
Oh shit, Brennan, that turned real dark.
Put ginger clown on that so fast.
I think 2 points for you, Brennan. Josh, the prompt is yours. A cat throwing up the Antichrist. Oh my God, Josh, the snake has eaten its own tail. Very well done.
Thank you very much.
2 points. Here we go, Michael. Gandalf the wizard shaving his beard.
Y'all trying to mess with me? Ready? Sound speed. Marker. Gandalf the wizard shaving his beard. Take 408. Action! Hurry! Got to get to the top of the riddle so I can bloody beard. Okay, Gandalf, let's go! Are those orcs? Man, we gotta get past some orcs. This is some messed up shit, man. Get to the barbershop. You mess with us, man. You'll get us killed. I've got to get this beard shaved. The end.
I may have just watched a full Lord of the Rings trilogy. That was epic.
It's really incredible when you watch the extended cut, all the stuff that they left out of the theatrical release of the movies.
That's exactly what I was going for, man.
People, 2 points for sure. Brennan Lee Mulligan, a jellyfish giving its son the talk.
But this guy thinks I don't know that jellyfish reproduce asexually. Hey there, son. Hope you're doing well. You're snaring all kinds of small plankton and algae and maybe even some small fish in your long tentacles. It's a hard life you're in the sea. You're getting to an age now where... look out, an octopus! Look out! You're getting to an age now where it's time to start thinking about your adult life. You know, you're not a little pod anymore. And I wanted to say, when I was your age, my dad gave me the talk too. And what he told me, he said, son, you're actually part of a mitosis where I split myself. You know, that can be hard. And yes, the other kids are going to make fun of you. They're going to... You may see another jellyfish that's going through changes as well. And if you feel any sexual attraction for another jellyfish, that is abnormal and bizarre for our species. We don't do that. I just want to say, for the very short amount of time I will continue to be alive, I'm so proud of you.
Wow! Brennan, the amount of spontaneous jellyfish facts that you threw in there, fucking fun. 2 points.
You got 2 new shows to pitch right here, man.
Josh Rubin, Godzilla, but he's really sorry. Oh shit. My God, the grief that I felt from that. Mr. Michael, Heaven's automated phone.
Welcome to the Heaven Line, y'all. To Heaven's automated phone line. Heaven's automated phone line. Stand by for God. And just...
Oh, thank God I'm not going to talk to you right now. Did you bring any pork rinds?
Wow. Brennan, I will throw it over to you for Poseidon the Lifeguard.
Aquatic theme today, Brennan. You got the aquatic theme.
What have I said to thee of running by the side of the pool? Josh
slip and skin thy knee, and thou mom can't pick thyself up until 3:30. I am the master of the deeps, lord of the waves. The tides are mine and mine alone to command. And you had a Snickers bar less than 10 minutes ago. You shouldn't even be out here. Deep krakens and leviathans shall I summon, sharks and needles of the deep. My siren songs command the hearts of sailors near and far. And this octopus will fuck you right up. I won't tell you again, lest I blow my whistle, Josh. Be warned.
Wow. Truly as aggressive as the lifeguards were at my local pool. The 2 points go to Brennan. Gentlemen, that brings us to our minigame. The minigame, kind of like our game, except the exact opposite. We've been making a lot of noise here in the studio today. I think it's time to settle down and make absolutely no noise instead. And so I want you to tackle the following prompts silently. When it's your turn, be silent. That being said, if your fellow players want to support you with some noise, they are welcome too. Josh, I'm going to start with you. An inflating, wacky, inflatable arm flailing tube man. Oh my God, Josh! That worked! Oh my God! Way to play with the frame. Super
That's the most I've moved since COVID.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, baby.
Thank you for the support, John. Thank you.
Michael, it's your go. Not letting the people around you know that your specific lottery numbers are being called.
Beginning here, New York Super Lottery Mega Millions. The winner of tonight's drawing will receive over $350 million from the New York Lottery. Our first number coming out of the bingo ball cage house, 37. Next number, 17. Third number coming out of the track here looks to be a 6. Fourth number, 12, 18, 13. And our last number of the evening, folks, 99. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The numbers have been called.
Very good, Michael. Very impressive. I know I'm taking you out of your comfort zone with this minigame. Very well done. The full 2 points for you. Brennan, your last silent prompt. The gymnast member of the crime team getting through the security system. Oh, shit. I think there might be miniatures involved here. Wow. Brennan, I don't know whether to award you or not for that brilliant display of I will not commit to this physically, and so I will have an object doing it for me. I will give you the point for sure. That does it for our minigame. We are headed into round 2. The points as they stand now. Josh with 35, Michael with 36, Brennan with 37. Josh, you are welcome to make some noise again. A Rude Goldberg machine. Not a Rube Goldberg machine. No.
Okay, here's the marble. Ready?
I got it. Michael jumping in there with the assist at the last moment. I love that interpretation, Josh. Beautiful. Michael, over to you. Tuning the radio, but every song is about you.
Oh my gosh, I'm so mad at my boyfriend. I just hate him so much. I just hope I never hear him. I'll turn the radio on. I'll feel better.
I don't love you no more. I don't love you anymore.
Oh my God.
Like, how are you even possible? Brennan, you're on a date when embarrassingly you spring a leak and you begin to deflate.
Oh, that's good.
That's so wild that you mentioned that. I actually, a friend of mine back in New York traveled there recently and said the exact same thing, that there's like laws there where you can't have bus necessarily everywhere in the city, and essentially cool. No, I'm fine. Actually, you know what's weird is I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quick. Actually, you're fully good.
Oh my God, what a place to freeze.
I left mine in my car. Do you have a little gauge for PSI?
Brennan, I mean, way more than I asked for even. Not only the deflation, but the recovery. 2 points. Mr. Rubin, it's, believe it or not, your last prompt.
Oh no.
Santa fucks up the whole routine.
Hold on. Oh, attachments. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna. Okay. Okay. Oh, I dropped all the toys.
I think you did very well. 2 points for you. Mr. Winslow, last one, my friends.
What you got for me?
Cats and dogs star in this movie trailer for The Fast and the Furious.
So I take it Vin Diesel's a pit bull, right?
I'm supposed to drive. I'm Vin Diesel, supposed to be right for the movie.
And we right back after that.
My God, Michael, you gave me...
Man, you got to stop chasing my car. I'm monkey chicks in my car and shit, yo. Just saying.
Man, Mike, you gave me the soundtrack, you gave me the car chase, you gave me the animals. I'm gonna say 3 points for that. That was truly some next level. Brennan, your last prompt. I'm sorry about this in advance. Predictive text, Brennan.
God. Oh.
Well, gentlemen, welcome to Synthetic Text Labs. We've been working hard on compiling a hard drive. The robot will be able to functionally read the entire social media data and metadata of an individual and be able to approximate their speech as best as possible. You're here for the prototype demonstration. The individual selected is was submitted for user data. It's the Tide Pod guy from College Humor. So we'll be turning the machine on now for you to take a look at what our robot approximates his normal speech patterns like. Here we go. Hey gang, absolutely to 100% happy to be here. Number one thing is that everyone to take care of yourself. Predictably, you might find another time. And with the philosophy camp counselor, this time around we go back. And I'm telling you right now, I won't stand for it. Gang, you gotta be drinking water. A large Irish Catholic family. Gandalf the White, Gandalf the Grey. We all have a responsibility to examine our place in the world. Thank you so much for watching. We super duper appreciate it. Happy hippie hokey time. Incredible.
Yes! Everything I wanted, Brennan, you gave to me in a Christmas present. I'll give you the 2 points for that. That is it for us here at Game Changer. The points at the end of this episode. Josh with 39, Brennan with 41, Michael with 42.
Oh!
Michael, the art form that you established decades ago, it lives on in a new generation of 30-something-year-olds.
Because you gotta have a sense of humor today. You gotta laugh at some point. You gotta either laugh or make noises, or just turn yourself off. You gotta laugh.
That is it for us here at Game Changer. I am your host, Sam Reich, and you know what? That all sounds pretty good to me. Good night. Woo!